Hey guys.
So, let me tell them.
Hold on. No, let me tell them first. Hold on. Oh, let me get my glasses. Okay, so remember I went to the Dollar Tree? I look like a 50s girl right now. I don't know what to do with this hair. This hair is just too short right now for my liking. But remember I went to the Dollar Tree and we found this, I found this egg thing for Angie. Well, she's finally gonna do it.
I'm excited.
So, yes, she's excited. She's home from school today because she was sick yesterday. And,
I'll be at school tomorrow, though.
yes. All right.
I had a fever, so.
So, this is what we're supposed to do. Read the directions to them, though. Hold on.
Okay, so there is a... Yep. So it comes with a recipe guide. It also comes with a little egg thing. And that's all that comes in there. Well, it was just to be outside. Okay, so I want to make... I don't know which one's in there actually, though.
Yeah. You tell them which one you're going to make.
So
There's
there
a couple
is
things to do,
a bunch of them.
but tell them you're just going to make a regular egg.
There's sides and extras. What? Sides and extras. What? Okay, never mind. Don't know about that. So there's. Wait, wrong side. What the heck? There's perfect poached egg, super quick scrambled, pizza scrambled eggs, pancake egg cup. I don't know what that one is, but I want to do super quick. Wait, I'm gonna have pizza, scrambled eggs, pizza D. I don't know what that says, but so it's what you need. It's 1 medium egg. Okay, sorry. We need an egg. Ham finely chopped. Hams, small tomato, finely diced. Okay, I'm gonna go get my mom. Mom!
Yeah.
I need your help. You need an egg, meat.
That's the mini Fritos.
Wait,
Frittatas.
Okay. You need a medium egg, ham, tomato.
We don't have tomato, so a teaspoon of cheese.
Okay, we'll make that one next.
Yeah. Well, we could put the cheese in there.
It's fine.
No, we could do the cheese, finely chopped oregano. Okay, we have oregano. We have cheese. We do have a tomato. You want to do a tomato?
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go see if we have any.
We have a small tomato. We do. We have a little bit of ham. All right, she's doing it big. She said, go big or go home.
Okay.
Yep, careful for my camera.
Okay, so it says medium egg. So I'm gonna crack the egg.
Watch out.
In this. You crack the egg in here.
Yep, get a fork.
I can just do that.
Yeah, but then you have to mix it.
Shake it.
No, it doesn't say that. You can't. It has holes in it.
Side to side like that.
No, Angie, it says use a fork.
Okay.
You gotta do the directions.
It said it's a fork?
Yep.
No. Really?
Yes, it says mix it. Do you ever just trust your mother?
Oh yeah, that is true. I didn't see that when I was
I read it and I told you.
I got my egg cup. Now I'm gonna put it in.
Okay. Don't mess up my table. I just cleaned it.
Okay, I'm gonna put this. So then you mix it up.
Nope. Then you put the
Tiny pieces of ham.
Okay. It says 1 medium egg, ham finely chopped, so break it up real small. A small tomato, 1 teaspoon of cheese, and oregano, and a teaspoon of milk. Crack the egg in the cup and add milk.
Are you reading the pizza one?
Oops. Oh, yeah, I'm reading the pizza one.
Okay.
Okay, so now you need to add a teaspoon of milk. Teaspoon. Here we go. This is how much milk.
Now pour that in.
Yep. Now.
Then we need 1 teaspoon of cheese.
Okay, go ahead.
We can see it. We need tomato. Okay, I guess we can use that.
That'll work. We're gonna use salsa. We're spicing it up.
So,
Because there is some.
1 here tomato.
Here we go.
So just a little.
A little bit.
So let's get about that
And
salsa.
you did cheese? Here. Oh, you got gum in your mouth. You stole my gum?
No,
Where'd you get that gum?
in your room.
So, you...
I got these teaspoons. And you know what? I'm just gonna do a couple pinches like this. Okay, and now I'm gonna mix that up with a fork.
Yep. Hold the thing so it don't fall.
Ew.
What? It looks gross, right?
Yeah. Guys, look at this. Well, you can't see it, but. Can't believe I'm about to eat this.
Here, let me show.
Oh, we have those little
Makes it good.
gross stuff in there. Look.
No, those are peppers. Those are the kind of peppers that you eat.
Pretty sure they were.
Oh, you need oregano.
What?
Oregano.
I don't know what oregano is, but okay.
Well, you're about to find out now.
We need
Here you go. Oregano.
Oh, that looks really gross. Okay.
You're doing the pizza frita. You're doing the whatever the heck it's called. Okay, then what? Mix it up real good.
I want to make sure it's all mixed. Okay, so got it all mixed. So now we put the top on.
Hold on. Let's see. Wait a minute. You cannot shake it like that. That's not what it says. If there was no holes at the top, that'd be different. Okay, crack the egg, whisk together with a fork, add remaining ingredients. We did that. Place in the microwave on high for only 20 seconds. Remove from the microwave and stir again. And then cook for 30 seconds more. So do like 40 seconds.
No, because we have to do 20 and then.
Yeah, but our microwave is not that good.
40? How about 30?
Okay, do 20. Do 30. Yeah.
We're just gonna break the rules a little bit. 30 first and then 20.
30 and 30 because our microwave is like
Oh guys, you like
not
my
as high
shirt?
volt.
Thank you.
Quick microwave. Enjoy your healthy snack straight from the Crackin' Egg cup. Show them the thingy, the packaging, guys. And this is from
What's the bottom?
This is from Dollar Tree. All right, go ahead. We have to hold on. Let me take. No, it's not supposed to. Open it up.
Is it supposed to be cooked all the way?
No, you have to mix it again. You mix it again, and then you cook it
You
again.
want to mix it?
Yep, because you're scrambling it. Okay. That was 30 seconds. Okay. Put the top back on.
There might be little boogers. Okay.
Don't spill it, because egg is the worst to clean. Okay, do 30 more seconds.
I'm gonna do 40.
Go ahead. I told you this thing is like not good. Okay. Okay, so place in the microwave on high for 30 seconds. Remove from microwave and stir gently. Cook on high for another 30 seconds or until eggs are cooked to taste. Top with cottage cheese. No, we don't got cottage cheese. Enjoy directly from the egg cup. So we have to keep cooking it until we see that the eggs are cooked the way that we like them.
Well, at least we put 40 this time.
You did?
40.
You put 40?
Yep.
Okay. It's just basically you got to just do it by trial and error because you don't know how your microwave works and stuff. So.
Oh, whoa! Look. Oh!
Okay, mix it again.
Whoa, the top.
It might not. It's hot.
Open it.
you squeeze it, I guess. I want it. Why won't it come off? Okay. Oh, it came out the whole entire thing. Hold on.
What?
Wait.
Spit it.
Yeah. That's what you do. Okay.
So let's mix it.
Looks like it's almost. Oh yeah, you gotta mix it again.
So 40 was good.
Oh no, it wasn't. You got. Oh, you're almost done. Mix it. Keep mixing it. That's what they said. You mix it again and put it in again for another 40. Mix it good. You gotta mix it good. Yeah, or else it's not gonna cook good. Ew.
Okay, good.
Okay, 40 seconds. Put the top back on. Oh yeah. Experiments. All right, go.
Another 40 seconds.
Yep, another 40. So far, we're probably going to need like 2 minutes.
It is working. It's working.
I mean, except
It takes a long time.
Angie knows how to make like real scrambled eggs on the stove.
I'm pretty sure like scrambled eggs is like an omelet, but you don't flip it. Then you just
Right, Angie knows how to make omelets on the stove. I let her cook on the stove.
So I kind of.
So she kind of doesn't really need this, but it's fun.
I kind of taught myself how to do scrambled eggs because, you know, I never did it before though.
All right.
Oh, it smells so good. I love this. Oh! I got it. I got it.
What?
I got it.
Good.
Now I need.
No, don't use that one. That one has raw egg on it now.
I don't know if it's already cooked, but we'll see.
I think they're cooked. It was another 40 minutes.
If it's cooked.
Okay, you know, break it up. Make sure. Oh, that's good.
Now we just break it up.
Yep, there you go.
One.
No, ew, don't put it in there. Don't, what the?
Oh, ow.
Don't do that again.
I didn't put it in.
All right, okay, I hope not.
My fingers burn so
All right,
bad.
so you want to add some ketchup in there or something? Just a little bit, just a teaspoon.
Parmesan cheese, a teaspoon.
No, you're gonna get it on the floor.
Okay.
Open this side up. Just a little, there you go, that's it.
Okay, now I'm just gonna mix that.
No, now you eat it, yeah. I mean, you can mix it if you want, but.
And then I'm gonna put some ketchup.
A little bit of ketchup, because it's not much in there. It's not much egg in there.
Ah!
Wash it off.
Yeah. This thing is messy!
Well, you're doing it really fast.
Do you have germaphobe, Mom?
No, but the floor, I didn't mop the floor just now, so it's not like, you know, extra clean.
I have a question of the day, guys. Write it in the comment. Okay. Do you like ketchup on your eggs?
Oh, by the way, there was people who talked to you in the comments saying about the forts. Remember you asked everybody?
Yeah.
Does your kids make a fort or whatever? And a lot of the people said when my kids were little, they used to make forts. And, yeah. So they did answer you. So this question of the day from Angie is, how many of you guys put ketchup in your eggs? Let's taste it.
I had this pizza before. This one before.
What?
This kind of egg.
Really? It's scrambled egg. Taste it. Let's see how it tastes.
Tastes like pizza.
It should, because it has oregano and it has tomato and it has cheese.
It tastes like pizza.
Pizza frittata.
It
So
doesn't taste like any egg.
I wish I could taste it, but I can't. I'm allergic to eggs. So anyway, guys, this is a short video, but if you want to go try it, then you can go to the Dollar Tree and see if they have it, or you can probably just order it. You can order it on www.crackin-eggs.com. So, yeah. Yeah. So, is it good though? It's good. You promote it? You agree?
What?
You agree? It's really hot. You agree it's good? It's good? Go out and buy it?
Yes.
It's good for kids that, well...
Don't need to cut out.
Or it's good for, I guess, people that want to have an egg at work. I don't really know, guys, but it worked. It definitely worked. And that's what we wanted to see if it actually worked, and it did. So
He wanted to be like, Mom, for lunch I really want the thing. I went, I just got it out. I'm like, this. She said, oh, I'm gonna record you doing it. I was like,
I wanted to show you guys if it actually
can you
worked
record
or
it now?
not.
She said, no. I said,
So-
1 o'clock.
Thumbnail. Is it a thumbs up? Okay. Her and her faces. Okay, she's gonna eat her lunch and
Hey, wait.
yeah. There you go. Okay.
Okay.
So until the next video, we will catch you. I'll probably put this on her channel too. We'll catch you on the flip side.
Or
And now you could say you're...
like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Put your hand like that. Okay.
Wait.
Turn off.